घर है, लंबा सफर है।
हुनर है तो कदर, वरना कठिन डगर है।
ऊंचा शिखर है, लंबा सफर है। ऊंचा शिखर है, लंबा सफर है। हर बात समझ में आई भैया, हुनर है तो कदर है, हुनर है तो कदर है। अपने शिखर को पाना है, अपना हुनर बढ़ाना है। ऐसा हुनर जो काम चमकाए, ऐसा हुनर जो दिल को भाए। बात समझ में आई भैया, ऐसा बनूंगा कारीगर मैं, जो कलाकार जो कलाकार जो कलाकार ही कहलाए। हो ऊंचा शिखर है, लंबा सफर है। ऊंचा शिखर है, लंबा सफर है। बात समझ में आई भैया, हुनर है तो कदर है, हुनर है तो कदर है।
देश को विकास की ओर आगे बढ़ाना है तो स्किल डेवलपमेंट, ये हमारा मिशन है।
Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining us on this webinar today by Vidyadan. So today we have with us Dr. Gulshan Sharma, and let me welcome you, sir, on Vidyadan portal, and we'd like to thank everybody for joining us on Vidyadan. You all will be glad to know that after the grand success of Creative Warrior programs in university, colleges, academic institutions, and schools, Creative Warrior is now going digital and launching free online courses from May 13th, 2020. So be ready with your dancing shoes to have your free online classes by DanceSmith. DanceSmith is the leading professional dance performance and production company in India, followed by Masterclass by Terence Lewis Professional Training Institute, and get a chance to interact with the most energetic Mr. Terence Lewis at 11:30 a.m. on Friday, May 15th. So do register on vidyadan.net. As we have limited seats, do block your calendar, book your seats. And the next webinar session will be by Mr. Anuj Kakkar, Executive Director, Aptech, on Tuesday, May 12th at 11:30 a.m. onwards. So let's start the session today. Let's hear it from Dr. Gulshan Sharma, motivator, life coach, skills guru. Dr. Sharma is Director General at International Chamber for Service Industry, ICSI. I'm like honored to mention that Sir started his career with Indian Armed Forces as a major, and from there he moved to Ministry of Tourism after finishing his master's and PhD in service industry, worked towards tourism related human resource development since 1987. He's a specialist in working with state governments, central ministries, developing business strategies, international relations, education reforms, and new prodigies. Renowned motivator to empower teachers, youth, cooperate with life management skills, strategizing thinking and competencies, innovative career planning path, employment generation, and entrepreneurship of youth. So, sir, thank you for accepting our request to be with us on Vidyadan to share your knowledge and wisdom.
Thank you, Pooja ma'am. I hope my audio is perfectly fine with you and my audience.
It is.
Okay. First of all, my deepest gratitudes and thanks to Mr. Mohit Soni, Subhash Ghai, Media Entertainment Skill Council, and of course, very important person, the anchor today, Madam Pooja Arora, and the entire galaxy of the people, those are directly or indirectly associated with Mr. Mohit Soni. You all are doing a wonderful job. In fact, the song which you introduced initially, जो था हुनर है तो कदर है, that song itself was so stimulating and it was so energetic. It gave a new energy and the new dimension to the whole concept and to the whole idea.
Yes.
Today, we are going to talk about, of course, media entertainment industry has got many facets, many segments, and such a big industry. There's so much to be done, and there's nothing without media and entertainment. Both of them, they are so beautiful, and both of them, they're so rewarding, and they are so professionally moving ahead with the entire team of Media Entertainment Skill Council. Let me share one of these segments of the media entertainment industry today, and that is basically when we talk about anchoring. How the anchor builds up the show, how the anchor builds up the news, how the anchor builds up the whole aura and everything whatsoever revolves around the entire galaxy of media entertainment industry. But ladies and gentlemen, before I come on to exclusively media entertainment industry, I also wish to share with you that the anchoring is not confined exclusively to media entertainment. It cuts across all the industries of the economy. And today, through this particular webinar, I will share with you, I will prove it to you, and by the time we finish this webinar, I'll convince to you, oh my God, I didn't know. Anchoring is a part of education also. Anchoring is a part of schools, colleges, technical education, vocational education, and whatever we empower in the human resources development, how anchoring I think I should move with small PPT, which I would like to share with all of you. So we are on common frequency, and you can idea what's coming to and a person who comes from the Mr. Soni. He is a professional. He is a person who understands what this industry is, and he has given a new shape and a new dimension. And nothing could have been more fortunate than to have Mr. Subhash Ghai chairing this. 2006 together, we had done one of the biggest event together in the JW Marriott's Juhu in Mumbai, and that was the part of the Punjabi Parvasi Divas. Let me share with you our chamber, which is dealing with the 30 million non-resident Indians, which is dealing with the various services. Today, I'm going to share and build the canvas where we are going to talk about the art of anchoring, how it can cut across, it can move across, and it can help all the industries of the economy. Let's move on.
Great.
Now, let's go to the next slide. And now there are basically three segments which we take into consideration. One is the stage anchoring, one is the news anchoring, and one is the program anchoring. Stage anchoring generally is live, but some of the programs are recorded also sometime, and thereafter they are aired and you see them on different television channels or different places. News anchoring, once again, generally it is live, but at the same time it is recorded also, because if it is a repeated mode and it has to be done. Program anchoring, once again, generally it is recorded, but then sometime it is live as well. Now, Pooja ma'am, over here, would you like me to announce something live, something related to your media entertainment skill council? Something you want me to announce?
Yes,
Tell me.
what I'd like to request, if you, with your permission, we can have our audience click their selfies with you after the
Okay.
presentation and
Okay.
post them on social media by
Okay.
tagging Media Entertainment Skills Council and Vidyadan. And
Okay.
as you would like to announce, I can I'll be really glad, and I think the winner will be really glad if you announce his name.
Okay.
The winner for Ms. Kiran Juneja Sippy ma'am's session is, and you know the name, so you have to do it the way anchor would do on
Okay.
the show.
So, ladies and gentlemen, let me go live and let me share with all of you and let me bring some power and some energy. And before I announce the name of particular anchor, all of us, those are watching us, all of us, those are viewing and sharing, and those have been kind to get their time for this particular session, I wish to share with all of you, today is your day. This is your time. This is your life. This is your future. This is your tomorrow. You are the best. And whatsoever you want to get on this particular planet, you can get it. It's possible. It's necessary. You can achieve that. It's achievable. And it's a must if you want to get it. Now, let me share the name and whatsoever Pooja ma'am has asked me. Ladies and gentlemen, the award winner of Madam Kiran Juneja Sippy's program is Mr. Abhishek Patra from Odisha. Big hand for Mr. Abhishek Patra, please. Big hand. On to wherever you are. This boy is the winner. And whatever is the prize is the secret that Pooja ma'am and Kiran ma'am, they will together share with each other. Okay, Pooja ma'am. So with that, we move on to, we were talking about stage anchoring, news anchoring, and program anchoring. Let's move on to the next one.
Sure, sir.
When we talk about the media entertainment industry, media, when I talk about, it's a print media, it's a radio, it's a broadcast, it's a television, it's a new media, what we are using nowadays, the social media, and of course the blogging is also playing very important role. And boys and girls, children world over, they are making optimum use of the social media to reach out. And today it has become so important that it is almost a part of the life. If you want to build your business, that's why there's a business communication, voiceover, business writing. That part also we take care of in media. In entertainment industry, when I talk about, you have got radio, television, theater, music, films, you have got animation, you have got gamification. And I'm a person who is very deeply convinced that gamification in education is very, very important. As long as we can get the games, the positive games, and the gamification in education in a positive way with the help of the producers or the product developers, if we can have the gamification in education where the strategy, where the tactics, where the management, where the group therapies, and where the networking and everything is being taught, gamification in education is very important. And of course, there's another very important therapy which goes in our education system in entertainment industries called music therapy. Music therapy is very important. There's a lady from Assam. She has convinced me so much. She plays violin and she is Madam Sunita Bhuiyan. And with violin, she teaches leadership, she teaches management, she teaches theater, and she gives the new techniques in the management in the corporate sector. So music therapy is another very important therapy and a very important part as far as entertainment industry and the media part is concerned. Now, most of us, we are known to a couple of avenues like sports shows, travel shows, cuisine-based shows, technical shows, business shows, tele-shopping shows, industry corporate shows, health and wellness and fitness and gym shows, and of course, education-related shows. These are different shows we are already aware of. there are commentators, there are radio jockeys, there are video jockeys, there are voice-over artists, there are travel program anchors, there are weather reporting studios and anchors, and there's a live reporting correspondents also. Those get to the field, they go onto the ground, they host various programs and various events. So these are some of the known avenues, but there are some hidden, unknown avenues also we will be unveiling shortly, and we will share with each other what exactly are those areas. These are some of the prominent anchors to whom you see day in and day out. They are so prominent, they are so vibrant. So what is the first mantra and what is the first principle when you want to be a good anchor? You got to be passionate about your subject. That is something very important. The energy has to flow from your body when you talk about your subject. And same thing goes for my teachers and my principals and people, those are in education fraternity. Unless the energy and the passion doesn't flow, the children will not be attracted. So it's something very important. So these are some of the prominent anchors. When they come on the television, you feel like listening to them. Each and every word, whatsoever they convey, you listen. You come to the edge of your seat and you say, what was that conveyed? What was that? I would like to listen to that carefully. And that is something which is very important when you talk about news anchors. The video jockeys, again, something very important. Our youth are very fond of, and these are some of the rocking stars. Those are there as a video jockeys, and they come on to radio anchors, something very, very important. Radio has taken one of the important seat in media entertainment industry today, ladies and gentlemen. I am reminded of way back when I talk about the early 60s and 70s, there used to be a program called, and there was a particular kind of a music and a tone, and it used to come, Behno aur bhaiyo, ye hai Amin Sayani. और आज की बिना का गीत माला पर आप सुनेंगे 16 हिट गीत इस हफ्ते के, और बिना का गीत माला की 16वीं पायदान पर आज गीत आ रहा है. And that is the way it used to start. And today we hear, मैं हूं नीलेश मिश्रा, कहानियां सुनाता हूं और कहानियों से आप तक पहुंचता हूं, आपके दिलों तक पहुंचता हूं. One ad you must be seeing on the social media, which comes with Nilesh. God bless him. He is a wonderful soul, because that is next to my heart when he says, मुझे कारगिल में जाने का अवसर मिला और कारगिल को कवर करने का अवसर मिला. जब मैंने कारगिल को कवर किया तो मुझे पहली बार महसूस हुआ कि फौजियों का एक परिवार होता है और उनके दिल में भी परिवार रहता है. देश के साथ साथ परिवार भी चलता है. That is something like a radio jockeys. There's a girl in Chandigarh. When I talk about Monica, when I talk about, she has got Oye Oye show, which is so popular with the children, similar way the Nawe, the Guinea, and all these, they're very popular with the youngsters. God bless them. They are doing so wonderful. Today, the radio is also very important, and anchors play a very important role, because anchors live in their role. You don't see them, but through their voice, you reach their heart. You feel them. You feel them so near. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me share with you today, wherever you are, whatever age group you are, whatever profession you are, अपने kitchen में, अपने drawing room में, अपने bedroom में, अपने घर में, अपने bathroom में, कहीं पर भी जहां भी मौका मिलता है, गुनगुनाइए, अपने से बातचीत कीजिए, क्योंकि this lockdown period में अगर आप अपने आप से बातचीत करेंगे तो मोहित सोनी किसी न किसी माध्यम से अपनी मीडिया एंटरटेनमेंट स्किल काउंसिल से will take you to the heights and to the new heights, and your talent will be exhibited before, because unless your talent doesn't get exhibited, displayed and disseminated, and where people see it, how the people will come to know what talent you're carrying. Share your talent. We will work out a strategy. Our chamber would be more than happy to work very closely with Media Entertainment Skill Council, because they are doing a wonderful job and we are always proud of them.
Thank you, sir.
Now,
Thank you.
Thank you, Pooja. Thank you. Sports anchors, ladies and gentlemen, this is also another area of the anchoring. You see, these ladies and gentlemen, they are doing so well. And whenever you go for any particular sport event, Now, this is also one of the profession. And with sport anchoring, how many other chains are being associated? That is also, we are going to see in a little while. These are live anchors. My God. Such a wonderful programs you see from time to time. Nowadays, many people come on the Kapil Sharma show. They want to see it. They want to laugh. They want to be happy. You've got Manish Paul. You've got Shah Rukh Khan. You've got Salman Khan. Amitabh ji is Kaun Banega Karodpati. And Ayushmann Khurrana. And you have got Karan Johar. And like them, many others for the live anchoring. So from today onwards, I would request each one of you, those are associated in this particular program, those are at present associated with us live on this program, whenever you talk to anybody, whenever you are talking even at home, talk with energy, talk with conviction, talk with happiness, talk with passion. Because whatever you do, many people you hear on the telephone, and when you talk to them, they say, hello. And you say, hello. And others, hello. And you say, hello. And third, hello. And you say, yes, hello. The thing is your tone, your pitch, your voice, your modulation, your energy, that gets radiated because on the other side, the person is not seeing you. But here, when I'm talking about live anchors, you can do wonders. And today, let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, the boys and girls, those are thinking we are unemployed. Sorry, you have got so much of energy in you. You have got so much of talent in you. The only thing is you're always hesitant. You're always shy. You don't want to come out with your talent. Don't worry about anybody. Don't worry about anything. Don't worry about what others will think, what others will talk about. Take out your talent. Talk with passion. Talk with energy. Generally, the ladies do not tell their age. And now, the male members also. But let me share with you, I'm 70 years of age with a 20 years energy because I'm passionate toward the subject and I feel there is no other better skill. There is no other skill which can fetch you a better job than the communication skill. Whatever profession you are, make best use of the Media Entertainment Skill Council and move ahead whatever best you can do. Now, this is the another segment. I will talk in detail with you. Something very important. Today, everybody says, my business is going. My business is going down. What will I do after lockdown? What will I do after this COVID-19? What will I do after 17th of May? Ladies and gentlemen, from this particular moment, from this particular session, put on your thinking cap. Put on your passionate cap. Bring and recharge your energy and start thinking. It is not few anchors in this country. Each one of you is an anchor in your own progeny, in your own area. Exhibit your talent. Exhibit your energy. You can do wonders. Shriya Bhan, she has grown over the years and so much she does the wonder. And same goes for my other colleagues, my friend. I will talk my children because they're my kids. And that's the way when I talk about they're doing wonders. Anything is possible on this planet. And the business part, business anchors, we need more and more. Those are from the commerce. Those are from the science. Those are from engineering. Those are from management. Irrespective whatever your subject, including the art student. Be a specialist of your subject. These business anchors, when they come and they anchor and they host the show, whether the live or the recorded, they always do their homework very well. If you know your subject very well, you can do wonders on this planet. The problem is we do not want to work hard. Today, everybody thinks, let's work smart. It's okay. You work smart. You look smart. You can put perfume on your body, but that will remain only for a few hours. But if you put perfume in your knowledge, in your body, in your cerebrum, in your system, nobody can steal it. It can exhibit. It can transform the entire humanity. That part is very important. Okay. When I talk about the business anchor, something very interesting over here, communication skill is the key. It's a very important key. after this particular program, which we are sharing at this point of time, I would request each one of you, go, just see on the YouTube, there's a gentleman who moved from Libya all the way to United States. The people, those have moved from outside to foreign countries, because our chamber is dealing with 31 million non-resident Indians. We know exactly what exactly happens offshore and how much hard work those people have to put in to survive, to grow, and to enrich and to exhibit whatever qualities and talents they have got. On the YouTube, you see one gentleman called Nido Qubein, Nidoqubein. He is the richest and the highest paid communicator and the communication skills trainer today. And it is an exorbitant to understand. His one sentence has rocked me, and he says, Dr. Gulshan Sharma, when I met him in America, he tells me, Dr. Gulshan Sharma, it is no more communication, it is connecting. I said, what is that? He says, connecting heart to heart, connecting soul to soul, connecting mind to mind, connecting people to people. From communication, when you are conveying your feelings, you should get connected and glued to the other party, then only. So sales, marketing, and public relation, when I talk about, ladies and gentlemen, those are into the profession of sales, marketing, and public relation. They are anchors, because they are the people, those are doing their profession in the best possible way. And to become a good salesperson, good anchoring is very important. Okay. Business communication skill. Those of us, those are doing journalism or any other subject, or those are studying the management part of it. You've got public speaking, you've got collaborative arrangements, you've got listening drills and listening programs, you've got non-verbal communication, written communication, and a couple of other things are there which comes as a part of the business communication skills. I'm going a little fast because there's a lot to share with you. Now, this is the key which you have to understand in today's world. Content is the king. A lot of people have moved it to media entertainment industry. A lot of people have gone. And I'm not talking about only Bombay. You've got Tamil films, you've got Andhra film, Telugu films, you've got Bhojpuri films, you have got other regional language films. You have got so much of a treasure available in this country. Why some of the films and why some of the stories and why some of the television serials, they become so hit and they become so popular and people get glued to them? What exactly is there? Ladies and gentlemen, we got to understand today through this session, content is the king. Even if you're a teacher, when you're teaching your subject in your school, your college, your institution, if your contents are powerful, your students are going to enjoy your session. They're going to be a part of yours. So content is the king. Look at it right in front of content is the king. I've shown you a movie which is of a low budget, but it did extremely well at the box office. Down below, if I see, even an expensive film may not do that well at the box office if it does not have a compelling story, appealing story. So the content is very important. I'm reminded of one personal humor and a joke I wish to share. One of my very close friends, who is the producer, director, writer, actor, he wanted to launch his son, and he produced a movie called Love Story 2050. And as a good gesture, I blocked 4 Audis in Chandigarh in the Elante Mall because I wanted the first show free of cost for the youngsters and all that. And I had so much of difficulty. I had so much of problem to pull the crowd because the story was not pulling the crowd. At the same time, see on the right-hand side, Kaun Banega Karodpati. Look at, it is when you look at it, it's a question answer. It's like a classroom session. But the person who is doing it, the person who's doing with the passion, the person who's doing with conviction, and the contents, it is so powerful, it's so interesting that anybody and everybody, whosoever is watching it at home, they feel like getting glued to it. So ladies and gentlemen, in future, you got to understand, those of us, those are in part of whether business fraternity or education fraternity, or you're talking about media entertainment fraternity, content is very, very important, which we have to talk about and we have to think about. Now, Let me just come to next to my heart. It was very difficult because when you join Indian Army, you join basically to fight at the borders, and you just go over there to pick up whatever, protecting your borders, whatever is there. You are groomed, you are chiseled, you are developed, and you are nourished in altogether a different tactical way. From there, when you shift to the education sector, where you got to be humble, you got to be polite, you got to be decent, you got to be courteous, you got to be dealing with parents, you got to be dealing with counselors, teachers, colleagues, principal, headmasters, whosoever is there. Now I'm taking the extension of anchoring in a little different role. The principals, the teachers, those are watching this particular webinar, I wish to share with you the role of teacher is that of an anchor. Just visualize your entire school and your classroom. Your classroom is a theater. You are a performer. You are an actor. The audience, those are sitting in front of you. The students, they are your audience. Your stage management, your content management, your vocal management, your speech, your diction, your passion, your conviction, your subject knowledge, and your creativity. And at the same time, presence of mind, how to make the last man in the class happy. That is something anchoring. It is not different from traditionally people have been thinking about. So Mr. Mohit Soni, I would like to tell you from this particular session today, along with your all colleagues in your team, you have to work further. Your responsibility is going to increase. You got to take Ministry of HRD with you. You got to be taking AICT with you, UGC with you, NCRT with you, National Council for Teacher Education with you. Let's have a kind of a module and let's kind of a program fit into. And as a part of the curriculum of the B.Ed and the M.Ed, whosoever becomes teacher, there should be an extended program. They got to be good anchors. They got to be good motivators. They got to be convincing that whatever they are saying, it is correct and they are well read and they know. So thereby, let's take this entire agenda of anchoring into the Ministry of HRD also. And I'm pretty sure your Skill Council is already doing a lot onto that. And of course, Vidyadan today with Mr. Subhash Ghai and your entire team. I would like to give my salutations to all of you. What a beautiful concept that you have brought the whole nation and you have brought the whole globe. Because today, in this particular webinar, we have got the people from Myanmar, we have got from Cambodia, we have got from Laos, we have got from entire Northeast, we have got from Thailand, we have got from Mongolia, we have got from Bahrain, we have got from Malaysia. I have got a lot of people from our chamber also. Those are part of this particular session today. And I'm thankful, my deepest gratitudes to all of them that through this particular session, we all are getting linked and we are trying to think what exactly can be done in anchoring in the extended mode. That part is very important. Now, ladies and gentlemen, when I was talking about communication skill and that is connecting, with that something very interesting goes, and I wish to share with all of you, music therapy plays very important role. Music therapy. Those of us, wherever you are, I do not know how Pooja ma'am is going to work out, how she is going to plan, but for 1 minute, my child is also coming out of me when I'm having this connecting skills and a communication skills and a anchoring skills being discussed. I wish to share with all of us, wherever you are. I will take you back to my era, 1967, one of the beautiful songs sung by Mahendra Kapoor on a karaoke. We just sing for 1 minute together. I will play the karaoke, and from there, we will try and work out. Oh, Pooja,
Yes, sir.
I just wanted to get, if you permit me, I
Sir,
just want to,
yeah,
is
sure,
it
you can
possible?
share the screen.
If you permit me,
It's there, sir. Yes, absolutely. Please go ahead.
Pooja, I just wish to share, and this is your screen, Pooja, and this is my screen.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, those are of somewhere middle age and 1967, if you have been enjoying music, I wish to have हर एक गाने के अंदर there is a sthai and a antara. So I'll take only sthai portion because time is less. So I'll be taking a little portion of that. And together, because music therapy, I want to tell, unless the child doesn't come out of you, unless you don't start feeling like your students and your children, and you start feeling like a kid, you cannot enjoy the life. And I'm going to play a small karaoke. And after a long time, I do not know how much is the gap, but I'll try and sing with all of you for 1 minute, because the good anchor is, and the good anchoring skill is, you got to involve your audience, whether a live show or whatsoever it is, even if the recorded shows are coming on the television or program anywhere, you are at home and you're in your kitchen, you still sing with that because you enjoy that tune and that music therapy. Let the music skill, let the music therapy come out of you, and together we can take on, all of us, this particular small kind of a beat. And this will be only for 1 minute with the permission of Pooja. Do I have your permission, Pooja, for this?
Absolutely, sir.
Okay.
I'm also going to sing now.
Okay. Let's try it out, although it's from my era, but we'll try. Join all of us. Okay?
Sure.
Right. साथ देने का वादा करूं, मैं यूं ही मस्त नग में लुटाता रहूं, तुमसे देखकर मुस्कुराती रहूं, मैं तुम्हें देखकर गीत गाता रहूं. Thank you very much. Thank you, Pooja. Thank you. Thank you.
Transferred your energy in all of it. I'm sure
Thank you.
people
Thank you.
watching
Thank you.
now they will, post this session, I am sure everybody will be singing and dancing too. And they get ready with their dancing shoes for our next class on dance.
Can we proceed, if you permit me, Pooja?
Yes, please.
Is the screen okay? The communication skill and the music therapy?
Yes.
Okay. Let me proceed further. And today, after this song, at the age of 70, if I have got this energy, and if I can sing, I'm not bothered whether I sing, I do the riyaz every day or not. But ladies and gentlemen, if I enjoy singing, you sing in kitchen, you sing in bathroom, you sing in bedroom, you sing in drawing room, you sing wherever you are. And all the teachers today, I'm telling you, anybody who enjoys music as a teacher, let me give you one new dimension to the pedagogy. If you enjoy music, you will have more empathy for your students. The person who enjoys music will always be having more empathy. It is very important. Music gives you, it's a lubricant to life. It's a lubricant to your energy. It's a lubricant to recharge yourself. Enjoy. Whenever you're tired, listen to the music, gungunao, and you will be recharged. Okay, let me just proceed. Something very interesting. People, those are in MSME sector, those are in other industries, and they are telling me, our business is going down. The lockdown is there. COVID-19 has brought so much of problem for me. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get back to when I go to 1918 Spanish flu, thereafter, so many flus have come and so many flus have gone. From today onward, with Media Entertainment Skill Council, start thinking that your body has got a new kind of energy. You are very special. You are very different. God has made you something very unique. Half the problem will go away. You know, when I teach in America for 2 months and I talk to some of my colleagues, one of the trainer, when you talk about life coach, because in America, they always say to this basketball and other sports people, life coach, he's my life coach. So when I talk about a particular life coach, there's a Punjabi guy, his name is Tim Grover. See him sometime on the YouTube. And particularly for the basketball, he is a coach and he's the person who trained for years together to a person who stood as number one to the world. This gentleman tells me only one thing. He says, Dr. Gulshan Sharma, we devote more time on our body in the gym, but we don't devote time for our mind. Ladies and gentlemen, from today, from this particular session, give equal importance to your mind also. Like you try and make your muscles and make your body, and I have got 4 ribs and 6 ribs, and I look this, and I stand left and I stand right. Start doing exercise with your mind also, because if your mind is sharp, if your mind is agile, if your mind is passionate, if your mind is energetic, you will never be tired. You see me in the morning at 9 o'clock, and you see me at 9 o'clock in the evening, I will be talking to you with the same energy, because I'm passionate and I enjoy my profession. Now, those of us, those are into the business sector, micro, small, medium enterprise, or a couple of other, because 11 crore people are associated. When we were talking to Nitin Gadkari ji through the chamber, and when we were talking to various associations. Now, ladies and gentlemen, some of the skills are directly linked with the anchoring. Let me share with you. Sales techniques, marketing techniques, public relation techniques, events related to business, guest management services, post-delivery services, customer satisfaction services. In the BPO, nobody sees you, they just listen to your voice. And from that voice, a matured person can make out, are you really serious to take on that particular problem in your BPO or not? Anchoring is happening every moment. You are anchoring with each other in residence also, with your wife, with your mother, with your father, with your children, with everybody. So thereby, please increase the scope of anchoring. And those of us, those are in education sector, do you remember that you make anchoring charts where you have the tables and you have displays and you teach them, these are fruits, these are vegetables and all that? Try and see the bigger scope, because I'm going to recommend something to Mr. Mohit Soni, the Media Entertainment Skill Council, after this particular webinar. And there I will give you the dimension, what is to be done in corporate sector and what is to be done in education sector. And of course, in the media entertainment sector, where whosoever is interested to become anchor. Now, we discussed about the content earlier, if you remember, that content is the king. Now, over here, ladies and gentlemen, through these visuals, I want to give you content drives the craft. In media entertainment industry, in education industry, in corporate sector. How? On the top, I'm showing you media entertainment. In Byju's, when I talk about, the gentleman should have promoted or could have promoted or might have promoted his product at his own. Why did he need King Khan? Why did he need Shah Rukh Khan? Because there was somebody who was driving that particular content, and that craft Shah Rukh Khan could give. And the people understood, Shah Rukh Khan ji is talking. So, well, let's try it out Byju's once. Similar way, the TED Talks. A lot of people are getting through the social media their income. Yes, social media is very, very important. Ladies and gentlemen, your content that drives the craft, you got to understand it is something very important. Okay. Coming to the fourth last slide, and I wish to share with all of you, what's the future? What's there in the storage for us? You have to understand the creativity so far, which basically people were thinking only confined to media entertainment industry. Take the anchoring to the other shore also. The creativity has to marry the business. The creativity has to marry the commerce. Like in our chamber, we have changed the definition of B2B. Earlier it was business to business. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it is B2B is called today back to basics. If you get to the basics, you will survive and you will grow. So creativity has to marry the commerce. The creativity has to marry the business. That part is very important, which all of us, we have to understand. Last 6.5 years, we have dedicated from our chamber towards the northeast part of India under the Honorable Prime Minister's advice and programs, Act East policy, Northeast, beautiful 8 states which we have got of this country. When you start right from Tripura and you come to Manipur, you come to Assam, you go to Meghalaya, you come to Arunachal, you go to Nagaland, you go to Sikkim, you go any place when you talk about the Northeast, that is linked with the Southeast Asia. And today our chamber is deeply, I'm indebted that all the presidents and all our counter associates from the entire Southeast Asia, right, starting from the Myanmar to the Cambodia, to the Laos, to the Thailand, to the Singapore, to the Malaysia, to the Indonesia, to the Philippines, and to the Brunei, they are a part of this particular webinar today. Mr. Mohit Soni ji, you should be so happy that today through this particular webinar and through this particular presentation, you are linking India, Northeast, across to the Southeast Asia. Our president at present also in Thailand, in Bangkok, watching this particular webinar. And at the same time, immediate past president of ours in the Los Angeles, he's also watching this particular webinar. And he's keen to know what exactly Media Entertainment Skill Council is doing and how we can take it forward. We have got 2 recommendations to make to Media Entertainment Skill Council today. First of all, my deep gratitude and thanks to Mohit Soni ji, Subhash Ghai ji, and the entire team of Mr. Mohit Soni, and of course my anchor today, Pooja Arora ma'am, who is here. She's my anchor and I'm the anchor to all of you. So the connection is there, the golden triangle is there. When we all are connected through this particular webinar, although a lot of programs have already been announced, and I'm pretty sure Media Entertainment Skill Council is already doing wonders. They are doing a lot of programs. We from our chamber, ICSI, would like to be a partner with Media Entertainment Skill Council through your forum, whatever you have got, Media Entertainment Skill Council, your ministry, your NSDC, and Ministry of HRD, or National Council for Teacher Education, AICT, UGC, NCRT, NIPA, AIU, whatever you can think of the fraternity related to education, including the people those are watching from Southeast Asia. We strongly recommend from this particular chamber to Media Entertainment Skill Council, let us organize 1-week program world over from the Media Entertainment Skill Council exclusively, where we will talk about the different dimensions, where the role of the Media Entertainment Skill Council from the media entertainment moving to the human resources development education also, and at the same time to the corporate sector also. Our chamber can deliver the program with your skill council. We can have a program 2 hours each day, and I commit and I promise the first program I will deliver myself with my team. I would be anchor myself to do that particular program, because I want जो सो रहे हैं वो जग जाएं, और जो जगे हुए हैं वो भागने लग जाएं, और जो भाग रहे हैं वो कंपटीशन के लिए आगे और बढ़ें. And we will develop the professional anchors across the entire economy. When we talk about the entire fraternity, we will take into consideration. From the corporate sector also, those are doing sales, marketing, PR, events, and those are doing customer service. You can also be a part of this particular program. Why not? Why not? Empower your business wherever you are. We would like to see you growing, rocking, whatever best you can do. The second part, we have already written to various television channels in India. We are also going to take up with the various state governments. And we would request, like you had communication, like you had the music and dance idol contest in India, and they were so popular, everybody was watching. I was also watching with my family at this age group. Why not to have a communication idol contest on a television channel, and that can take care of, and let's not confine only to India. From the world over, we can have a participation. Our chamber would be in a position and help you out, and let's work out with one of the television channel, whomsoever you feel appropriate. We have already written to Mr. N.P. Singh, and we have written to a couple of other people. We would be more than happy if we can consolidate, because somebody thought of Kaun Banega Karodpati, and many became Karodpati just because of that thought process. Idea germinated anywhere, and if it is left there only, it remains idea. But if idea converted into reality, it becomes something like a human resource, and it becomes the economic resource also, particularly when people are feeling that we are under lockdown. With these words, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to convey our deepest gratitudes and thanks to everybody whosoever joined this particular webinar, whosoever is a part of this particular program. Down below, we have given you on this particular slide my personal cell number. You're more than happy to be a part of coming on to if you're interested. We have also given you email ID. We have given you website, but of course, we would like to do all the programs of entertainment industry, business industry, and education industry with the help of Mr. Mohit Soni and his team. And ladies and gentlemen, this is my pledge, this is my commitment, that Media Entertainment Skill Council can do the wonders. If something can reform and something can empower and something can bail out a lot of people out of this particular lockdown, this is Media Entertainment Skill Council and media entertainment industry. Start thinking positive, you'll get positive thoughts. When you think negative, you get only negative thoughts. When you are less energized, you cannot empower others. So make a commitment to yourself. And when I talk, you talk within your own soul. Today is my day. This is my day. This is my life. I am the best. I am going to do wonders on this particular planet. It's possible. It's a must. It's necessary. It will happen. We will do it, because it's all communication, connection, communication, connecting. That is the way we would like to take on anchoring further. And of course, with that, thank you very much for joining us. Thank you, Pooja ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. We are getting so many compliments, so many appreciation. Thanks for you. And we have so many messages. There is Gautam Sharma is saying, sir, you have really made these moments memorable. Never attended such exciting session. We have people saying, sir, we loved your voice and we are enjoying it. So, sir, at the age of 70, as you have disclosed, you can...
I didn't want to tell that.
You can compete with a young guy of 18 or 19 years age.
Yes, yes. Biological age is no age. It is your mental age. And all my principals and teachers, those are watching from today, let's change the education fraternity in this country.
So age is just a number.
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir. So many questions, so many people. And we'll be glad to mention that today with ICSI, Vidyadan has reached across the globe. And we have Mr. Dato Ramesh Kodamalji from Malaysia, Ms. Geeta Chopra from Bahrain, Mr. Mohan Gunti from Cambodia, Ms. Angela Solmos from Mongolia, Mr. Vikas Malhotra from Canada, Mr. Vimal from London, Mr. Sanjay Gupta from Dubai, Mr. Naresh from Myanmar, and the list can go on and on and on. So thank you, and everybody is so energetic. So let me quickly come and ask few questions. Although you have cleared everything during your presentation, everything was like amazing. So I had many questions that are already being answered by your presentation. I have one question, like you have mentioned also, media entertainment sector is in huge demand even during the lockdown, with major shifting to OTT and digital platform. How do you see this after COVID for anchors? Do you think like anchors sitting in Dubai will be hosting a show in Canada and viewers will be across the globe? Like, do you see that possible?
Pooja ma'am, first of all, once again, I would like to take Madam Pooja Arora ma'am and all my viewers out of the shell of exclusively media entertainment. Let's increase the base first of all. Media entertainment, I will talk, but Anchoring is across all industries world over, wherever you are. In any business you are, in any profession you are, I can convince you and I can tell you and I can give you the logic how anchoring is being done across all industries. That is my first part. Second part, necessity is the mother of invention. Discovery is the mother of invention. Like you and me are talking today with so many people world over, this was possible and this we adopted when? Because there's a lockdown. There is a coronavirus. Now it has given a new birth and new dimension. It has given altogether new pedagogy. You got to understand that. So similar way, all the anchors world across, please feel free. We are going to have a lot of opportunities for you. It's not only live anchoring shows. The dimensions will change. The style would change. The display would change. The sitting plan would change. But the anchors will remain till the universe will remain. That is my thought.
Okay, great. And let's take the live questions because we have several questions coming in.
Sure.
Let's take it here. There is a question like, how should you rework your communication strategy with your clients when you are not physically present in front of them in today's pandemic environment?
Yeah. Pooja ma'am, whosoever asked this question, first of all, very intelligent question, and he is intelligent. And my thanks to the gentleman or lady. See, when somebody is not seeing you, when somebody is not watching you, and when somebody physically not in front of you, when you talk on a telephone, when you communicate on a telephone, I gave an example if you remember, and something very interesting I'll share with you, one live example. I was sitting in, somebody invited me, and there were 100 principals together. And I would like to convey my thanks through this webinar to ASN Mayur Vihar principal, the lady in charge over there, the higher secondary or the secondary, the higher education. A lot of people were sitting over there and the lady asked me and she told me, Dr. Sharma, could you be kind enough to spare 1 hour and watch how the parents behave when they come for parents-teacher meeting and parents-principal meeting and what exactly happens over there? I was watching very carefully, very sincerely, each and every node. And over there, one of the parents came and the gentleman told me, now listen every word very carefully, then you will get the central idea answer to this question. The father of the boy asked me, and he addressed to me, he told me, sir, you know, good morning. I said, good morning. He said, sir, my boy is not energetic. My boy doesn't talk. I looked at him. I looked at the volume and the pitch and the tone of his voice. And I told him, no wonders why your son doesn't talk. No wonders why your son doesn't speak. No wonders your son is like that. Don't blame him. And ladies and gentlemen, from today, all the parents, stop blaming schools. Stop blaming colleges and institutions, teachers and principals and counselors and anchors. No, your role is also equally important. It is not that you deposit your child early in the morning at 8 o'clock in the school, pick up at 5 o'clock in the evening when everything is being done, and you say, school, we have paid the fee to you, transform my child. That's not the thing. So thereby, I personally feel, whosoever is asking this question, your own energy would also matter. Your client would be very happy and convinced. Even if service cannot be delivered, you must convey with a conviction that whatever you are saying is correct, and you're convinced that this information, what I am imparting and what I am conveying, is 100% true to my conscience and soul.
Okay, sir, another question. do you think formal degree and apprenticeship opportunities can lead to high wage employability or more opportunity as a freelancer for anchors in any industry?
Pooja ma'am, this is one of the most difficult questions you are asking to an educator or to a teacher or to a motivator. Let me share with you. Throw the degree out of window. Throw the degree out of the door. Your skill would matter. Your skill, your perfection in the skill, whatever profession you are, your skill would matter. Degrees would be mere just to put onto my wall and to put it over there. What is exactly happening? I don't want to, because my immediate past president from Los Angeles is on the line, but I hope he would apologize me. He would excuse me, and I apologize well in advance. I wish to share. Howard, Stanford, Wharton, they are giving free courses during this particular lockdown in this COVID-19. And at a point of time, I feel sometimes amazed. People are spending lakhs and lakhs and lakhs, and they're going abroad. And when you talk to some of the parents, why are you sending your child abroad? Quality education, need-based education, would settle abroad and all. Ladies and gentlemen, the need of the hour is your skill. And a lot of people are coming back to India also, because our chamber is deeply dealing with most of the NRIs. A lot of people are interested to come back to India. In my heart, in my research with my entire team, because you would be so happy to know that my entire team which did the research and this presentation, what they worked on, I just came with you because I'm on 9 webinars every day. 70 years old, young man is on 9 webinars every day. This is future. This is the way you have to work out. And all the people, those have joined from abroad with Media Entertainment Skill Council, anything you need, you're more than welcome. Share with us this particular skill council. We want to take it to offshores, and we want to build relations wherever it's possible. So degree won't matter. It's your skill which would matter.
Okay, great. So we have even mentioned sir's name, and we have a compliment coming from you from Mr. Dato Ramesh Kodamalji. Well done, sir. Good advice.
I fold my hand before Datoji. He's my senior. He's my elder. I have to learn a lot from him. Karan Singh Thakralji is also watching from Singapore. I am grateful to you also. My deep gratitudes to Mohanji also in Cambodia. My deep thanks to Nareshji in Myanmar. My deep thanks to Geeta Chopra ma'am also in Bahrain. All of you are wonderful. I have to learn a lot from you. मुझे आज भी लगता है कि मुझे कुछ नहीं आता. मुझे आज भी लगता है कि मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखना है. And Angela, I'm so grateful to you. You're setting up a finishing school in Mongolia. It is the Media Entertainment Skill Council. We would like to take their help through this particular platform. We would like to move one step faster, and we would move hopping strategy, work on to.
Sure, sir. Definitely. So we didn't realize that we are ahead of time now. So I think I won't take much of your time now. Maybe you can give, you've already passed in all your energy, it's flowing and everybody's energetic.
Level is still same. You can ask me anything. Level is same.
Absolutely, sir.
Yes.
So our students also deserve a message from you. So that keeps them motivated, and they keep on, like you said, बैठे हो तो उठ जाओ, उठे हो तो खड़े हो जाओ, खड़े हो तो भागो. So let's do the bhago thing for everybody.
Ladies and gentlemen, we learn a lot of things from our family itself. My wife is my first teacher, because after my Gurujan, from whomsoever I picked up everything, and I joined Indian Army and I got married. My wife is my first teacher. She taught me values. And after marriage, some secrets I'm sharing. She told me, घर में 2 चीज नहीं आएंगी. मैंने बोला, what exactly is that? Number 1, you'll never bring liquor at home. Let it remain non-liquor and a vegetarian home. I said, given. Like Mahadev gives Vardhan, I said, given, no problem. What is the second part? She says, second part, can I ask? I said, okay. You will never ever take wrong money and a wrong money earning from any source. You will work hard. And that is the day, ladies and gentlemen, till date, we have maintained, I do not want to get a single rupee which I don't deserve. I don't want to take a single rupee which I don't want to get. That part is very important, which we have to understand. And secondly, I would like to give a message to my younger generation, something very important which we have to understand. That is, younger generation, my daughter, she's my teacher. My son, he's also my teacher. My daughter, she's calm, composed. Always she gives me a lot of insight. My son always is more vibrant, bubbling with energy and all. He says, Dad, you have to learn how to work smart, my son tells me. And I tell him, son, you have to learn how to work hard. Every morning and every evening we talk to each other. So I think, ladies and gentlemen, with my generation and with the present generation, millennials, it has to go together. You have to work hard also. You have to work smart also. Make best use of the technology, the best possible way. Whatever is available, whatever is there, make best use of it. Younger generation is going to bring a change. World over, Media Entertainment Skill Council should help out wherever the youngsters are, whatever best together we can do.
So you will be glad to hear that we have a message from Mr. Mohit Soni also for you. He is saying, dear sir, I always mention that a step on the stage after you have addressed the audience and engage them is amongst the most tough task I have faced in life. So he also finds it tough after coming, after you on stage.
My final word to Mr. Mohit Soni, like Mahadev, I would like to say, which a serial I watch on the television, all the episodes, that my entire energy is for the Media Entertainment Skill Council. All of you, your entire team is the most dynamic and the vibrant. And my deepest regards and gratitude and thanks to all of you. And of course, finally, my salutation, because Mohit Soni ji, you come from the industry, you're a professional, you're doing wonders. We will always pass on all our energy and we will bring synergy. And our final thanks to Pooja Arora ma'am.
Thank you, sir. But the last line I can't miss. He's saying, at last, just sharing personal words to you in public. Maza aa gaya. What a session, and hats off to you. And this is the statement by Mr. Mohit Soni.
He is a wonderful person. Ladies and gentlemen, you must understand, from this platform, I wish to tell, whenever I have met him, he is full of energy and he is full of knowledge. He always wants to acquire more and more knowledge. He wants to know about the industry, about the trade, about the equipment, about the people, what is happening in the industry. He is a moving encyclopedia as far as his profession is concerned. I salute you, Mohit Soni, and my life is dedicated to Media Entertainment Skill Council.
Great, sir. Now I have one request. Like, you have taken this show miles away, like it's going somewhere in heaven. Everybody is full of energy. You be my anchor and just tell everybody to register for online courses that are coming from 13th of May and
Okay.
register for our upcoming webinars.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, what Pooja ma'am is saying, I endorse that. I request all of you, if you have enjoyed the session, Guru Dakshana के लिए मैं हाथ फैला के आपसे कहता हूं कि आप रजिस्टर कीजिए और इसका पूरा फायदा उठाइए। और एक सीक्रेट शेयर करता हूं कि मैं भी रजिस्टर होऊंगा और मैं भी कोर्स करूंगा।
Great.
Thank you.
So
Thank
with
you.
that, I would like to mention that free dance classes by Dance Smith are coming from 13th of May for all of you. So be ready with your dancing shoes and meet masterclass by Mr. Terence Lewis on Friday, May 15th
Wow.
at 11:30 a.m. Yes,
Wow.
I am sure everybody must have clicked their selfie. If not, then with Gulshan Sir Smile, we can click our selfies, tag on social media, Media and Entertainment Skills Council and Vidyadan. And keep following us. Do share your thoughts. Your feedback is also important. So do share it on Vidyadan at mescindia.net. Thank you so much, sir. We are obliged. We are honored to have you here on Vidyadan.
Thank you, Pooja ma'am. Thank you. And as a father, I give my blessings to you. Thanks for hosting me. Thanks for being my anchor. Thanks for giving me this opportunity to Mohit Soni, Subhash Ghaiji, and the entire fraternity of Media Entertainment Skill Council. You people are the best. You are the best. You are the best. You are the best.
Wow. With that note and all the energy, let's go ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Stay safe,
Thank you.
stay home, take care.
Thank you. Thank you.
And see
Thank
you
you.
on the next session on Tuesday by
Thank you. Thank you.
Mr. Anuj Kakkarji. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.